Now I will show you how to select random number in Excel. Firstly, mention the formula is equal to rand number, and then mention the number as required. Then again mention the number as required, like 15,000, 45,000, and hit the enter key. And select the cell and drop down. Now your random number in your screen, see this. Now again I will show you if you want to mention something more after the number like CR or million or more, then select the cell and click on right key and again select the custom, then go to the type section and mention the hash dot and again 3 times hash and the inverted comma and mention the CR or million as required, then inverted comma closed and hit enter key. Now see this. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.